Okay, so imagine this. You're in Mexico, and the snack game is totally changing. Like, not just a little glow-up. This is a full-on revolution. And it's all happening because people are rethinking how food gets dried. Old school ways, like hot air and freeze-drying, meh, they've got some issues. You end up losing taste, colors, even nutrients. And the energy bills? Let's not even go there. But now, bam! Vacuum drying technology hits the scene, and it's literally next level. Picture this. Instead of zapping everything with heat or freezing it for hours, snacks get to chill inside these crazy futuristic vacuum chambers, where microwaves or radiant energy make water zoom out. And that helps everything stay brighter, crispier, and way tastier. Like, we're talking 95% of vitamins and flavors stick around. And dehydration goes turbo fast, like 7 times faster than before. No more soggy chips, no weird aftertastes. Even the major food companies in Mexico are hopping on this train. Giant radiant energy machines, huge production lines, and it's opening doors for small snack brands too. Because you can just rent time on this gear instead of dropping all your cash on new machines. Dramatic pause. Yep, you just witnessed how tech is leveling the snack field. And here's the twist. It's not just machines doing magic. Digital crop monitoring swoops in. Yeah, that's us at Farmonaut. Cue the dramatic music, letting farmers watch their fields from space, well, kind of. Spot plant stress before it's a problem, optimize watering, and even track environmental vibes through AI and satellites. So you're not just eating prettier snacks. You're getting stuff that's way safer, cleaner, and grown with care. With all this tech stacking up, Mexico's snack industry is sprinting ahead, sending colorful, crunchy, totally export-ready snacks out to the entire world. And honestly, Farmonaut is totally here for it. We're all about linking smart farming straight to amazing food, giving both big factories and tiny local growers the digital tools to keep the supply chain transparent and sustainable. So next time you grab a bag of those deliciously crisp Mexican snacks, just remember, you're tasting a whole new era powered by innovation and a little help from the stars above, courtesy of Farmonaut.